The Xiaomi 12 series is now out. The latest flagship smartphone from Xiaomi offers two models. You have the Xiaomi 12 Pro, a much bigger display, powerful camera, and fast charging feature, while the Xiaomi 12 is quite a small form factor with a little lesser specs, but still quite impressive. For this video, we will be checking on the Xiaomi 12 as we've been using the phone for almost a week now, and we wanted to share our reviews about it. The Xiaomi 12 has a price of $39,999, now available at all Xiaomi stores nationwide, as well as online e-commerce stores on Lazada and Shopee. So let's find out more on the Xiaomi 12. The Xiaomi 12 comes in a simple standard box containing the following contents. You have the Xiaomi 12 unit, USB Type-C cable, 67-watt power adapter, SIM ejector tool, protective case, documentations such as quick start guide, warranty card, safety information, and a screen protector that's pre-applied. The Xiaomi 12 feels solid and well built as expected on any flagship phone. Its weight and compact form factor fit, holds comfortably, and operates much easier with just one hand. We have the purple color for our review, but you can still choose from two more colorways available, either in gray or blue. The purple gets a subtle light pink color when shifted from different angles with a little cool glittery effect. The Xiaomi 12 has a nice curved edge display protected with Gorilla Glass Victus that curves into the sides of the phone between a thin metal frame going to the back panel made of plastic with glass covered in Gorilla Glass 5, making it a solid build. With both rear and front panels covered in Gorilla Glass, it provides more resistance to drops and scratches. Overall, the Xiaomi 12 looks more premium and stylish. The rear panel has a frosted texture effect, or kind of a smooth flat matte finish that helps repel fingerprint smudges. On the top left, you have a rectangular shaped camera module that holds a triple camera setup with LED light and the Xiaomi brand at the bottom left corner. There's a slight protrusion on the camera module, but it only wobbles when you press on the top left of the front display when laid flat on the surface. With the included clear protective case, this will solve the problem. On front, you have slim bezels all around the screen that are barely noticeable, but they still clearly show where the screen stops. The front camera gets a simple punch hole design located at the top center of the display. Buttons on the right side are the sleep power button and volume rockers, while the left has no buttons whatsoever. Speaker grill with a Harman Kardon logo beside it, IR blaster, and microphone on the top, while the USB Type-C charging port, microphone, SIM card slot, and another speaker grill are located at the bottom. As we've mentioned, the Xiaomi 12's display has a diagonal diameter of 6.28 inches. For others, it might be too small, but we know that things don't have to be large to be good, and offers much more as expected on any flagship phone. Xiaomi integrated more features and video technology on their screens. Turning it on, you'll notice immediately that the Xiaomi 12 display is equipped with an AMOLED panel, providing incredible vibrant colors, sharp details, and impressive contrast on its display. It has full HD+ resolution at 2400 by 1080 pixels. You can manually switch to either 60Hz or 120Hz refresh rate. You also have a maximum brightness of 1100 nits, sufficient enough to use during outdoors or direct sunlight. For mobile gaming enthusiasts, the Xiaomi 12 offers a 480Hz touch sampling rate for a more responsive gaming experience. The display supports the industry-leading video format, the Dolby Vision, and HDR10+. Both formats produce better color accuracy and picture quality available on streaming services such as Netflix, Prime Amazon Video, Apple TV, and more. DisplayMate, an industry standard for evaluating all types of display, awarded the Xiaomi 12 as an excellent top-tier world-class smartphone display with an A+ rating. With all the said features found on the display of the Xiaomi 12, it makes an even striking phone to look at and view your favorite content on. The Xiaomi 12 runs with MIUI 13 based on Android 12. The MIUI 13 comes with some few pre-installed apps like Netflix, Spotify, TikTok, Twitter, and Xiaomi's very own programs. The latest software has some bunch of cool wallpapers, tons of widgets, managed privacy settings, optimization features, and a security scan powered by Avast. The MIUI 13 has special features which I found it to be helpful, such as the heart rate monitor, sidebar, front camera assistant, and second space that allows you to have two different accounts using one phone either for personal or work. In general, the MIUI 13 is smooth, fast, stable, and well customizable. The Xiaomi 12 packs some upright flagship specs. It is equipped with Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 mobile chipset paired with a Qualcomm Adreno for its GPU. The processor works alongside with an 8GB LPDDR5 RAM and a massive 256GB UFS 3.1 storage, enough to store more photos, videos, and install apps, especially games. The only drawback will be there's no microSD card expansion. It is designed to support 2 nano SIM cards with 5G standby support as well as for the other network band provisions for 2G, 3G, and 4G. Other connectivity features on the Xiaomi 12 includes a Bluetooth 5.2, Wi-Fi 6, and Wi-Fi 6E. Xiaomi plays a cooling technology that contains extra-large VC liquid-cooled board to dissipate heat and reduce temperature in case the phone will be put to prolonged stress. Xiaomi's audio features Dolby Atmos and dual speaker system positioned at the top and bottom of the chassis, tuned by audio equipment maker Harman Kardon. We like that they place 2 speaker grills on each end to even out the sound that pops out from the phone. The sound quality is impressive, a bit more full with more bass, enhanced vocals, and good tonal balance. At the back, you'll come across a triple camera setup that boasts of a 50-megapixel wide-angle camera using Sony's IMX766 sensor, a 13-megapixel ultra-wide-angle camera with an 123-degree field of view, and a 5-megapixel telemacro lens. The camera is also equipped with its all-new focusing technology called Pro Focus, assisting you in capturing moving subjects clearly. The native camera app on the Xiaomi 12 is easy to use. Opening it, you'll have 4 default shooting modes available: the Pro, Video, Photo, and Portrait mode. To make your shots more creative, you have an additional 12 shooting modes, which includes a night mode. You have zoom capabilities such as a ready 2x digital zoom and a 10x hybrid zoom that photos will be likely to get a little more noise or muddy. The front camera has a 32-megapixel for your selfies. There's also a color filter and beauty filter for those who want to enhance your appearance, like slimming your face, smoother skin, or even fixing your hairline, found on the camera app. Shots on the Xiaomi 12 are outstanding, specifically on the main camera, and the focus are spot on even on face detection. We got lots of details, vibrant colors, good auto exposure, less noise, and the contrast adds more quality on your photos. We also got great looking selfies on the Xiaomi 12, which are decently sharp, natural bokeh without too much blur that separates the subject nicely against the background, and facial features which does not get too skin smoothing effect. Here are a few samples captured on the Xiaomi 12. Now for your videos, rear camera on the Xiaomi 12 can record with the following available resolutions on 8K, 4K, 1080p, and 720p. It is equipped with video stabilization available only at 1080p. Meanwhile, the front camera can only record 1080p and 720p only. You also get a heap of creative features including Beautify, bokeh, movie filters, movie frame, face detection, and object tracking. The recorded videos we took are sharp, colors are accurate, and less noise during bright conditions. Even with this compact size, the Xiaomi 12 is equipped with a 4500 mAh battery that can last you throughout the day or possibly into the next day if you're a light user. But if you're going to batter the phone with binge watching your favorite videos, music playback, or playing games, it will probably last for half of the day. You can easily juice up the Xiaomi 12 very quickly as it comes with a 67 watts wired charging feature through a USB Type-C charging port. We were able to full charge it in just 47 minutes during our tests. There's also a 50 watts wireless charging and a 10 watts reverse wireless charging feature that makes the Xiaomi 12 as a charging pad to power other wireless devices. The Xiaomi 12 is really a great flagship smartphone. It's one of the best ultra-compact phones we've tested, and users will be interested on this phone if they don't want a bigger display and prefer a comfortable form factor. The Xiaomi 12 offers a gorgeous AMOLED display with 120Hz refresh rate, stunning design, nice camera, powerful onboard hardware, remarkable sound quality, and with fast charging technology. It has a solid main camera along with a good ultra-wide and telemacro lens with picture quality of the rear and front cameras looking so good with nice details and colors are vibrant. We love how it performed very well on what we can throw at the Xiaomi 12, such as watching multimedia content, playing games, listening to music, or scrolling through our social media. We did not experience any lag or error during these activities. Still, there will be some drawbacks on the phone, but if it's not a big deal, then by all means, buy the Xiaomi 12.
Please share, like and click to subscribe to megabites.com.ph.